fast-paced montage of luxurious lifestyles, expensive cars, mansions, designer clothes, exotic vacations, flashing quickly between the icons of modern internet celebrity. We live in an age where fame and fortune can be just a viral video away. The internet has created an entirely new class of celebrities. The YouTubers, individuals who've built empires from the comfort of their homes. Millions of subscribers, millions of views, and yes, for some, millions of dollars. We've seen them flaunt the trappings of success, the lavish homes, the luxury cars, the extravagant lifestyles. They seem untouchable, invincible even. But what happens when the tide turns? What happens when the views fade, the sponsors disappear, and the carefully crafted image cracks? Today, we're diving into the lives of 5 millionaire YouTubers who, despite achieving unimaginable heights of success, found themselves facing financial ruin. This isn't just a story about money, it's a cautionary tale about the fleeting nature of fame, the dangers of unchecked spending, and the importance of sustainable success. Let's be honest. The internet portrays a hyper-idealized version of reality. We see the highlight reels, the best angles, and the carefully curated personas behind the scenes. However, the story isn't always so glamorous. What we often fail to see is the fragile infrastructure upon which many of these empires are built. These stories are not meant to be a judgment. Rather, they are lessons about the importance of financial literacy, the necessity of sustainable business practices, and the need for humility when confronted with sudden wealth. So, get ready as we explore 5 cautionary tales of YouTubers who rode the wave of fame and fortune, only to lose it all. The rise to stardom is captivating, but the fall is often more telling. This isn't about schadenfreude, it's about understanding the human element behind these incredible and, at times, heartbreaking stories. These are people who had it all, and lost it all. The valuable lessons that we can derive from their experiences are what make these stories so important. It's about examining the factors behind their failures so that we can avoid these same mistakes in our own lives. In each of these narratives, we will examine not just what happened, but why it happened. We'll analyze the choices, the circumstances, and the mistakes that led to these drastic falls from grace. By understanding the common pitfalls, we can better prepare ourselves for both success and its potential downfalls. So, buckle up and prepare for a fascinating journey into the realities of fame, finance, and the often precarious world of the internet influencer. Case Study 1. The viral sensation. Our first case study is about a YouTuber who experienced a meteoric rise to fame through a viral sensation. Let's call him The Flash. Remember when a specific video, a challenge, a trend, or a moment just took the internet by storm? The Flash was at the center of one of those explosions. He was an overnight success, attracting millions of views within days of his viral sensation. The early content created by The Flash was nothing short of revolutionary. In an era where people were looking for instant entertainment, this individual was one of the first people to bring a unique and engaging form of content that captured the collective internet consciousness. He was creating content that was funny, thought-provoking, or simply bizarre. Whatever it was working, as it appealed to a very large audience. The internet was captivated, and The Flash was the center of attention. This newfound fame would quickly translate into financial opportunities, as brand partnerships, sponsorships, and advertising revenue started pouring in. The rise to success and the money for The Flash. Life changed in the blink of an eye. The income from ads, merchandise sales, and sponsored posts allowed this individual to acquire luxury items previously only dreamed of. He bought a lavish mansion, a sports car, and designer clothes. Extravagant vacations were a regular occurrence, and the internet watched every step of his rise. This sudden influx of wealth led to a rapid lifestyle change. He was living the high life, documenting every moment of it. The content was no longer just about the initial success. It started to revolve around the lifestyle itself. The Flash became an aspirational figure, someone to look up to, and in the eyes of his audience, he could do no wrong. It seemed as though the income would continue to flow forever. The beginning of the downfall, but the tides began to turn when The Flash stopped focusing on the original content that led to his success. The focus shifted entirely to his new lifestyle, and the content started feeling less genuine and more staged. when the algorithm changed, it was very challenging to regain the same viewership numbers, which had a direct correlation to the revenue stream. What made him an overnight success was the very same thing that eventually led to his downfall. His fame was attached to the viral content and did not have a strong foundation of engaging content. Brand sponsorships began to drop off as audience engagement waned, as his viewers became bored, or worse, felt that he was no longer genuine. They quickly moved on to the next best thing. Explanation of the financial mistakes. One of the primary causes of his financial ruin was the lack of financial management. Spending without a plan, without understanding basic financial principles, can quickly deplete even the largest of fortunes. The Flash fell into the trap of believing the income stream would be endless, and the idea that he had an endless supply of money allowed him to make poor choices. This led to impulsive purchases and a failure to reinvest funds strategically. There was no long-term financial planning and no clear understanding of cash flow. It was all about instant gratification. This individual had no emergency fund, no retirement plan, and had not diversified his investments. He had become complacent and was relying on his fame without preparing for a shift in the digital landscape. Impact on mental health and personal life. The financial stress took a heavy toll on the Flash's mental health and personal life. The constant pressure to maintain an image of wealth and success, combined with the fear of losing everything, led to significant anxiety and depression. His relationships suffered as he became increasingly isolated and withdrawn, and the public image he had created became a prison. The inability to separate the persona from the actual individual led to a feeling of loneliness and hopelessness. What started as an exciting adventure had become a downward spiral. The Flash: the questionnaire Flash underscores several important lessons. Firstly, the fleeting nature of viral fame and its unpredictable nature highlights the importance of having a solid financial plan, as well as diversification of revenue streams. Relying solely on one stream can be extremely precarious, as algorithms and trends often change. Secondly, it serves as a reminder to stay true to your original content and to focus on providing genuine value. The public has a way of seeing through authenticity, which means that you will inevitably lose their attention if you begin compromising your values. Thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, it shows how important it is to manage your money responsibly, regardless of how much you're earning. The Flash's story is a stark reminder that fame and fortune can vanish just as quickly as they appear. Financial literacy is a must for anyone, especially those who've experienced meteoric. Case Study 2. The Lifestyle Guru. A bit more analytical, our second case study brings us to the curator, a YouTuber who built their brand around the image of a perfect lifestyle. Think flawless homes, perfectly healthy meals, ideal workouts, and the belief that everything was within their control. The curator's content. The curator presented a polished and seemingly effortless version of life. Her videos revolved around topics of home decor, fitness, healthy eating, and mindful living. Her content was visually stunning, aesthetically pleasing, and meticulously crafted. Each post, each image, and each video was designed to evoke envy and aspiration. Her audience became obsessed with the image she had created, striving to replicate her lifestyle in their own lives. The curator seemed to be living the ideal life that so many aspire to. The rise to success and the money. The audience for the curator was drawn to the fantasy of perfection, which made the brand eager to be part of this narrative. She quickly became a sought-after influencer with countless brand partnerships, as well as revenue from affiliate marketing and her own merchandise line. She was able to create a business empire from the image of a perfect lifestyle. Her revenue was substantial, allowing her to maintain an opulent life, as well as invest in an ever-expanding business. The beginning of the downfall. The veneer of perfection began to crack as the curator struggled to maintain the high standards she had established. There was an increasing pressure to continuously create content that was unique and visually appealing, and her audience began to see cracks in the facade. The constant striving for perfection, the unending demand to showcase the ideal life, was becoming unsustainable and overwhelming. This began to seep into her content, making it appear increasingly artificial and inauthentic. The cracks were becoming too visible, and the audience began to question the authenticity of the image that she had so carefully cultivated. This started the slow and steady decline of her audience engagement. The financial mistakes. The financial downfall of the curator stemmed from an inability to separate her business from her personal life. the expenses that she incurred to maintain the image of perfection began to mount, and she fell into the trap of spending more and more money to create content. There was no clear understanding between business expenditure and personal use, and this inability to separate the two began to eat away at the profitability of her business. She also neglected the importance of reinvesting in her business to develop new and different ideas, instead focusing on maintaining the status quo. The lack of sound financial practices created an unsustainable structure, which ultimately collapsed under the weight of its own expenses. Impact on mental health and personal life. The constant pressure to maintain the flawless image took an extreme toll on the curator's mental health. Her anxiety rose to the point of becoming debilitating. As she was unable to maintain the image that she had carefully created, it became increasingly challenging to relax, and the constant pressure to maintain her persona was exhausting. Her personal life suffered as well, as she struggled to connect with others outside of her online identity. Her business had become her entire life, and the pressure of it had crushed the joy that she once experienced when she started creating her content. Lessons learned from the curator. The story of the curator highlights the dangers of creating a persona that is unsustainable and not authentic. Her fall reminds us that genuine engagement cannot be built on a foundation of falsehoods. The pursuit of perfection often leads to a feeling of emptiness, and that long-term engagement is built through authenticity. Authenticity over artificial perfection is key. Additionally, her story demonstrates the importance of maintaining a healthy boundary between business and personal life. Blurring the lines creates an environment of financial vulnerability and emotional distress. The tale of the curator serves as a reminder that real success lies not in projecting an image of perfection, but in the value of your work and authenticity. Case Study 3. The Controversial Provocateur. A bit more cynical. Our third case study involves the Maverick, a YouTuber who built his audience by courting controversy. This is someone who was known for pushing boundaries, sparking debates, and generally ruffling feathers. The Maverick's content. The Maverick created content that was known for its shock value. It was his main tool for attracting views and gaining attention. His opinions were often inflammatory, controversial, and at times, downright offensive. He was comfortable in playing the role of the contrarian, and he did not shy away from engaging in heated debates. His audience was drawn to his no-holds-barred approach, and his content became a space for like-minded individuals to vent their frustrations and opinions. He was unafraid of causing outrage, and that is precisely why his viewership was soaring. The rise to success and the money. His outrageous opinions, although polarizing, made him extremely popular and highly profitable. His content attracted a dedicated audience who admired his lack of restraint and his willingness to challenge the status quo. This resulted in significant advertising revenue, lucrative brand sponsorships, and merchandise sales. The Maverick became a master of capturing attention, even if that meant creating negative press. The income allowed him to enjoy an incredibly affluent lifestyle, flaunting his wealth to further emphasize the power of his opinions. The beginning of the downfall. The controversial nature of the Maverick's content would eventually lead to his downfall. He was pushing boundaries too far, and this caused a growing number of brands to pull their sponsorships, as they did not want to be associated with his contentious views. The outrage he was creating was beginning to spill over into his personal life, causing him to be an outcast outside of his own audience. The algorithm became increasingly sensitive to his type of content, which limited his viewership and further impacted his revenue. The tide had turned, and the outrage he was so carefully cultivating had finally caught up with him. Explanation of the financial mistakes. The Maverick's financial downfall stemmed from his short-term approach to success. He only focused on the immediate gains and failed to take the long-term consequences into account. The belief that he would continue to make money no matter what caused him to avoid long-term financial planning. His lack of diversified investment strategies, combined with his impulsive spending habits, led to his rapid financial demise. His short-term thinking, the lack of long-term planning, and the inability to pivot to different content meant that he did not have a foundation that he could fall back on. Impact on mental health and personal life. The constant backlash and the public shaming took a significant toll on the mental health of the Maverick. The inability to switch off from his persona, and the backlash that spilled into his personal life, began to cause anxiety and stress. The constant need to defend himself, the need to maintain a contentious public image, began to wear him down. He became isolated, finding it increasingly challenging to separate his public persona from who he was in real life. The constant need to be at the center of controversy had become too exhausting, and his mental health had suffered significantly because of it. Lessons learned from the Maverick. The story of the Maverick serves as a reminder that success that is built on controversy is neither stable or sustainable. The pursuit of outrage might result in a short-term gain, but it often comes at the expense of long-term stability and sustainability. The tale of the Maverick highlights how important it is to have integrity and be genuine in your content. Ultimately, his inability to adapt his content and his inability to see the long-term consequences of his actions led to a complete financial collapse. A lesson to be learned is that you can't build a business on shock value alone. Our fourth case study takes us into the realm of innovation, with The Innovator, a YouTuber who rose to fame through their expertise in tech. This individual was one of the first to showcase new tech products, providing detailed analyses and reviews that captivated their audience. The Innovator created content that was informative, engaging, and always focused on the latest technology. His videos were meticulously produced, demonstrating a deep understanding of technology, as well as his unique ability to explain complex concepts in a simple and accessible manner. He was at the forefront of the tech scene, and his opinion had considerable influence. Whether he was reviewing the latest smartphone, discussing the newest AI breakthrough, or testing out a new piece of hardware, his expertise and deep insights were always apparent. His audience saw him as the go-to person for understanding the ever-evolving world of technology. The rise to success and the money. The Innovator's expertise quickly translated into financial success. His channel became a must-watch for both tech enthusiasts, as well as the companies that produced these technologies. The revenue from ads, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and brand partnerships enabled him to build a considerable fortune. He was able to enjoy all the perks of his success, such as his access to cutting-edge technologies, the ability to live a life free of the constraints of money, and the opportunity to grow his business empire. The beginning of the downfall. The downfall of The Innovator began when he started to neglect the core elements that led to his initial success. There was an increasing focus on quantity over quality, and his audience began to notice a decline in the depth and substance of his analysis. Thanks for watching. This video is a lesson tutorial for beginners. Please subscribe, grow our channel.